Good morning, student. Welcome to my class. Last class we discussed what is differentiation. Means derivative of a function with respect to another function. Clear? So now let's start. What is the meaning of integration? Actually, integration is the process, or you can say reverse process of differentiation. आम जब डिफरेन्सीएसन करिया मीन्स गोटे फिजिकल फंक्शन को आम सब पार्ट पार्ट करके डिवाइड करिया कहुए डिफरेन्सीएसन. बट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन? इंटीग्रेट मीन्स पार्ट पार्ट जो डिफरेन्सीएसन होगी थी पार्ट पार्ट को एकाठी करदा मीन्स ऐड करदा कहुए इंटीग्रेशन. सो इट इज द रिवर्स प्रोसेस, यू कैन से इट इज द रिवर्स process of differentiation. Clear? Or you can say it is the process we have to find a function whose derivative is given. Clear? It is the process, it is the process to find the function whose derivative is given is known as integration. And what is reverse process? Reverse process means, suppose I am writing here the derivative of, suppose log x, we already know it is log x base e, and its differentiation means d by dx. Clear? And its value which equal to 1 by x. The differentiation of log x with respect to x equal to 1 by x means, if we already know here log x, that is log x base e, and if we derivative means differentiate, if we differentiate log x, then answer will be 1 by x. Clear? But in integration process, it is the reverse process, means this process. If we know the derivative, then we can find its function. Whose derivative is given, we can find its function by using integration method. Means if we know 1 by x, then we can write here, this is known as integration. So in integration, if given 1 by x, then we can write this is log x, means integration process. Clear? So in differentiation, the differentiation of log x equal to 1 by x, but in integration process 1 by x integration which is equal to log x. It is a reverse process of differentiation. Means suppose I am writing here, we will discuss your next class or upcoming class, you can say, suppose v equal to ds by dt. You already know this relation, means velocity equal to displacement upon time. याको कहा जाए इंस्टांटेनियस वेलोसिटी, आम आपको पढ़िया इंस्टांटेनियस वेलोसिटी कहा जाए. ताले वेलोसिटी हम केमि बाहर कले ना, डिस्प्लेसमेंट को यदि आम डिफरेंशिएशन करिया वेलोसिटी पळे आसी, तो आम इंटीग्रेशन केमि बाहर करिया, मीन्स एटू डिस्टेंस केमि बाहर करिया और डिस्प्लेसमेंट केमि बाहर करिया. Clear? So in this case we have to use integration process. Clear? So this is known as differentiation, but we have to use here a symbol like this. This is known as integration symbol. Integration symbol. Clear? This is differentiation symbol and this is integration symbol. Okay. Actually this integration which is divided by two parts. First part, that is known as indefinite integration. So what is indefinite integration means? In a integration, if there is not given any maximum and minimum value or upper limit or lower limit, if no upper limit and lower limit or you can say if there is no maximum value and minimum value, that type of integration is known as definite integration. And second one, that is known as this is indefinite integration. And in case of definite integration, they are given the maximum value, means maximum value and minimum value, or you can say upper limit and lower limit. So now let's start. What is integration process in indefinite integration? So first we will discuss here indefinite integration. Indefinite integration. Clear? Suppose there is a graph, and here this graph, so this is y axis, y, and here x axis, and this is straight line graph. But we have to find its area, means we have to find this total area. So how can we find this total area? Clear? Or there is simply you can find this area if there is a right angle triangle, then its area you can calculate half into base into height. You can calculate it easily. If this graph is not straight line like this, any curve graph, so how can you find this area? It is difficult to find area by using simple algebraic method or by using simple formula. So in this case we have to use integration process. So what is that process? Suppose there first we have to choose 2 points here and this point, or you can say this area. This area is here very small, means if you draw this area here like this, and this distance is very small here. Clear? Or for small distance you can say the distance, suppose dx along x axis. Similarly here another point, this point is y1 and you can say this point is y2, but this y1 and y2 is very small. Clear? Or you can say y1 and y2 are very close to each other, or you can take only one value. Clear? This graph actually like this here, y1 and y2, but for very small region you can choose this is just like a straight line. Clear? पृथ्वी कमला लेंबू परी गोल, जदि आम भुवनेश्वर देखा कि ब्रह्मपुर देखा, ये कौन गोल अच्छी ना प्लेन अच्छी, टोटल प्लेन अच्छी. फॉर स्मॉल रीजन यू कैन से दिस इज स्ट्रेट लाइन केस. सो हियर ऑल्सो दिस इज नॉट कर्व. फॉर स्मॉल रीजन यू कैन से दिस इज स्ट्रेट लाइन. सो दिस इज एरिया just like a rectangle. So how can we find area of this rectangle? Then you can say, suppose this is, I am taking here, suppose this is y1. एटी किसी वैल्यू अच्छे, एटी किसी अलग अलग अच्छी, बट वेरी स्मॉल क्लोज वैल्यू पाई आम कौन नहीं पारिबा, ये भी y1 ये भी y1 अच्छी. सपोज ताले दिस डिस्टेंस इज y1 and this distance is here dx. Then its area, then area a1, I am writing a1 will be length into breadth. So here y1 into dx. Next choose another one, area is here, and suppose this distance also same, suppose very small, that is dx. Then you can check this height y1 and y2, but this region is very small, so you can take suppose this distance, suppose this distance that is y2, then its area will be, and its area I am writing here a2 equal to y2 into dx. Similarly choose another area is here, and this area suppose I am writing here that is y3, then area will be that is y3 into dx. Then what is the total area of this curve line or under the curve? A graph under a जहाँ भी graph area अच्छी, area कहते हैं. How can we find? Now we have to add all the area. ये अच्छी a1 a2 a3 a4 इन small part करके total हमें कौन कर दिले, total area हमें add कर दिला परे total area पाई जिया. So total area can be write a equal to that is a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 plus dot 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 an. That means we can write here a1 means that is y1 dx plus y2 dx plus y3 dx plus so on, or we can write sum over, that is n equal to summation plus yn dx. So sum over n equal to 1 to n yn dx. Clear? This is known as summation case in mathematics. This total area of this curve, but actually diagram of the area small region like this small region here, this region I am taking here, this region, actually this region like this, but we choose this area because this is area of a rectangle. Now एतिक area रही गला, this is limit case. each rectangle रे ए total area कौन हो जाउची, ए total जदि हम एठी गुटे area कोन चूज कले ताले ए area पे केते रही गला, एतिक रही गला, एतिक हम काउंट को नेलेनी. So our calculation will be wrong. तो आम जहाँ भी कैलकुलेशन करवा ये रंग फॉर्मेशन हम. क्लियर? सो यही फॉर्मेट को आम यूज करिपारिबा नाही, ये रंग है जो कौन पाई ना एतिकी एरिया में कंसीडर कले नाही. इच केस देख एठी भी एरिया में से कंसीडर कलेनी, एठी भी एरिया कंसीडर हलानी, एठी भी एरिया कंसीडर होनी, कंसीडर होने एरिया कोडी एरिया. तो आम आउ गोटे मेथड प्रोसेस करवा, और वी हैव टू यूज अनदर वन टाइप ऑफ मेथड व्हिच गिव द कंप्लीट एरिया ऑफ दिस कर्व. এই कर्व तले जहाँ भी एरिया अच्छी कंप्लीट इनफॉरमेशन दे पारिबो. ताले एडी कोन हो जाए ना जो समेशन फॉर्मेट अच्छी, समेशन को कहा जाए इंटीग्रेशन रे कन्वर्सन हो जिवो. आ इंटीग्रेशन कन्वर्सन होला परे लाइक यू कैन से एरिया इक्वल टू, दिस इज सिंबल ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन लाइक एस, ये इंटीग्रेशन रो सिंबल. देन वी कैन राइट हियर दैट इज yn dx, और यू कैन से y dx. y dx में इंटीग्रेशन करिया ना कोड को जाए ना, वी हैव टू चूज वन पॉइंट. सपोज हियर x इक्वल टू 0 और x1 इक्वल टू 0 to here. Suppose this distance x2 equal to x. Then we have to integrate here x equal to 0 to x equal to x, or x2 equal to x, x1 equal to 0 to x2 equal to x. This is known as integration process, and this is known as lower limit. It is lower limit, and this is known as upper limit. ଆଉ ए इंटीग्रेशन कौन कहा जाए, दिस इज नोन एज डेफिनाइट इंटीग्रेशन. जोड़ी इंटीग्रेशन ऊपर लोअर लिमिट थी अपर लिमिट थी ता कहा जाए डेफिनाइट इंटीग्रेशन. आ जोड़ी अपर लिमिट लोअर लिमिट नथिबो से केसे ताकू कहा जाए फाइनाइट इंडेफिनाइट इंटीग्रेशन, मीन्स इंडेफिनाइट इंटीग्रेशन. क्लियर? सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट इंडेफिनाइट इंटीग्रेशन, एंड यू हैव टू रिमेंबर सम फॉर्मूला, एंड व्हिच फॉर्मूला is very important for physics application. So now let's start formula for indefinite integration. So in this process, first formula you have to remember here, that is x to the power n dx, or you can say y equal to x to the power n dx. Now differentiate this relation with respect to x. integrating with respect to x. x ताको इंटीग्रेशन करिवा, तले x to the power n dx means, or you can write here y इंटीग्रेशन with respect to x. y को dx रे हमें इंटीग्रेशन करिवा means integrate with respect to x, with respect to x रे इंटीग्रेशन करिवा. तले केते आंसर? So y dx which equal to, you can write y equal to x to the power n means x to the power n dx, and its formula you have to remember, that is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus 1 constant c. This is the integration of x to the power n dx. But in differentiation case, that is d by dx of x to the power n, which equal to n into x to the power n minus 1 into dx by dx. This is differentiation case. But integration case, x to the power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, provided n should not be equal to minus 1. This is important case. n रो वैल्यू केबे -1 हबो नाही, आउ जहाले ठीक अछि -1 हबो नाही. बुझिला? व्हाई? इफ देयर इज -1 plus 1 which is equal to 0, so 1 by 0 which is equal to infinite, which is not possible case. Clear? So here we have to use, but we have to remember one thing, n should not be equal to minus 1. And what is c? C is known as integration constant. Integration constant. ये इंडेफिनाइट केस रे जदि आम डेफिनाइट केस नेबा ताले एठी किछि लिमिट लेखिबा लोअर लिमिट एठी किछि लेखिबा अपर लिमिट सेही टाइम रे एठी आउ सी रहिबो नाही बट इन केस ऑफ इंडेफिनाइट इंटीग्रेशन ए इंटीग्रेशन को जाय भी जाई पारे so that we have to use a constant quantity and that constant is known as integration constant and this constant can be used by using definite integration or initial condition. We will study next. So here c is integration constant. Next point number 2, suppose here or we can write suppose y which equal to or some constant c. Now differentiate y with respect to integrating y with respect to x. Then in this case we can write here integration symbol. We have to integrate y with respect to x means dx. So which equal to the value of y is c and what is c? C is here constant quantity or you can take any constant. Suppose I am writing here k constant, then its value k into dx integration. Then the constant quantity we can take out of the integration. Then you can write here k times integration over dx. Clear? Or you can write this relation here k integration dx means there is another one term you can write 1. Clear? Or we already know x to the power 0 equal to 1, m to the power 0 equal to 1. So we can use here x to the power 0 which is equal to 1 then dx into dx, or you can write that is k times 0 x to the power where n never be minus 1 but it possesses any value 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 but never minus 1 like this. So here n equal to 0 you have to use this formula x to the power n dx where n never be minus 1 but n we can write 0 here. So formula, if we use this formula then we get that is x to the power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1. This is final answer because plus 1 constant is here, that is c. Then we can write here k times here x to the power 1 by 1 means x plus c. This is final answer. Clear? So a constant quantity integration always multiply with this x. Next, another one, integration rule number 3. Okay, now let start another physical quantity is here and suppose y equal to u plus v. And what is u? U and v are two function of x. Now we have to differentiate y with respect to x. So how can we differentiate this equation? So y dx which equal to u plus v into dx, or we can write u plus v plus w. Then we can write here plus w, v plus w into dx. Now we can write, we have to separate this integration with each function means here u into dx, then we have to use your integration sign plus v integration over v dx, then plus w into dx. This is the format of integration. Clear? Integration. Now divide each function of this every relation. U v w means z, then we have to write z into dx like this. Clear? Similarly, next suppose y equal to u minus u plus v minus w. Now differentiate this y, integrate this y with respect to x. So in this case we have to use y, it is dx and its value y. So u plus v minus w into here dx equal to, that is u dx minus sorry plus here integration v dx minus integration w into dx. But u, v and w are the function of x. Clear? Okay. Next formula number 5. Suppose y equal to e to the power x. Then we have to find integration of y with respect to x means dx. Clear? Which equal to y equal to e to the power x into this is dx, and its formula e to the power x dx, that is which is equal to e to the power x plus c. Here also 1 plus c and here also 1 plus c. Clear? Each case 1 plus c means one constant quantity. Its value may be changed or it may be value increase, and this constant c we can calculate by using definite integration. So its formula e to the power x dx integration, which is equal to e to the power x plus c. And again another one example you can take here, that is y equal to e to the power ax. What is a? A is here one constant, or we can write here, suppose this constant k. What is k? K is here constant. This is constant quantity. So now integrate this y with respect to x means y here dx equal to e to the power ax kx into dx. But what is formula? But formula is here e to the power dx integration, which is equal to e to the power x plus c. Same way we can write here, that is we can write e to the power x means e to the power kx. Clear? Or I am writing this relation here, sixth number, y equal to e to the power kx. So integration of y dx equal to e to the power kx dx, its integration equal to, suppose this is one constant or this is one relation or x, suppose this is x, e to the power x dx equal to e to the power x plus c. Then we have to use this formula, it is e to the power kx, but there is only one term x, but here another term k. Then we have to write e to the power x divided by, then differentiation of with respect to x, this total term here kx plus c. Clear? You have to remember this term, and we can write kx time d, this is constant quantity. In differentiation we can take out of the differentiation k, means k time here dx by dx plus c, and dx is equal to 1, then e to the power kx by k plus c. This is final answer. And here also same thing, e to the power x divided by d by dx of here quantity x, then e to the power dx cancel 1, then the remaining part e to the power x, like this. Clear? So you have to remember this term. This is the total formula which we will discuss in physics. Clear? एतिक हम फॉर्मूला दरकार जो आम फिजिक्स रे यूज करिया. एक्चुअली इंटीग्रेशन रो बहुत फॉर्मेट अछि, तो मैथमेटिक्स सब पढ़िबो जति फॉर्मूला दरकार फिजिक्स पई, द फॉर्मूला व्हिच रिक्वायर इन फिजिक्स विल डिस्कस हियर. नाउ लेट एग्जांपल regarding this formula or integration formula. Suppose given that one example I am taking here, suppose y equal to x cube. Now integrate y with respect to x, then we can write here y dx equal to x cube dx. So what is the formula x cube dx? Then we have to use here formula, that is x to the power n dx equal to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now use this formula, then we will get answer here by using this formula. Then here n equal to 3, so n plus 1 x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 constant quantity c, then final answer will be x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. This is final answer. Similarly, suppose I am taking one example here. So 5x5 or 5x minus 5 is given. Now differentiate integrate y with respect to x. So here also you can write integration into here dx. Then formula 5 is constant quantity, so you can take out of the integration, then the remaining part x to the power minus 5 into dx. Clear? And here this is 5 and here n equal to minus 5, so you have to use formula. It is x to the power minus 5 plus 1 divided by minus 5 plus 1 plus c, and which equal to 5 into here x to the power minus 4 divided by minus 4 plus c. This is answer. Clear? So in this way you can solve different type of problem. And another 7 number rule, this is formula also you can say. So 1 by x dx, here y equal to 1 by x dx and its integration, which equal to, because this is the differentiation of log x, so this is 1, or you can say it is log x plus e base e, log x base e plus c. Why? Because the differentiation of d by dx log x base e, which is equal to 1 by x, and this is the reverse process, this is differentiation process. But in integration process, if we know 1 by x, then we can write this is the log x, means integration process. So it is reverse process of differentiation. This is another one example. Is clear? Okay, if we take another one example, then suppose here y equal to x cube plus 3x or 3x 3 root x plus 1 by x. Now differentiate y with respect to x. So in this case we have to find y dx equal to integration x cube plus 3 root x plus 1 by x with respect to dx. Then we have to separate this integration with each term. Here x cube dx plus here 3 is constant, or you can write 3 root x dx plus integration over 1 by x dx. And x cube means we have to use formula 3 plus 1 by here 3 plus 1, then plus 3 is constant quantity, so we can take out of the integration. So here 3, then 3 into this is root x means x to the power 1 by 2. So you can use here formula, that is x 1 by 2 plus 1, because n is here 1 by 2, n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 by x. Here x means here x to the power, if you write x to the power minus 1, but n never be negative, n never be minus 1. So in this case we have to use another formula, 1 by x formula. You can write that is log x base e plus there is one constant quantity which is equal to c. If you solve this relation, then you will get answer. So x to the power 4 by 4 plus here 3 into x to the power 2, 2 1s are 2 plus 3 by 2, then 3 by 2 divided by here 3 by 2 plus here log x base e plus c. This is final answer. Clear? So this is the process of integration. So by using this formula we have to solve different types of numerical. Clear? And if we take another one example here, suppose I am writing y equal to e to the power here 2x plus 3. Now differentiate y with respect, integrate this y with respect to x. So here y dx equal to integration over e to the power 2x plus 3 into dx. Then suppose first you have to consider this is one term and suppose this is x. Then what is the formula? We already have formula, that is e to the power dx integration equal to e to the power x plus c. This is formula. By using this formula we can find this relation here. Then this, by using this formula e to the power x, e to the power x, so here 2x plus 3 divided by the differentiation of with respect to x and its value, that is 2x plus 3 and plus here one constant quantity c here. Then we can write it is e to the power 2x plus 3 divided by differentiation means 2 is constant quantity here. Then we can write here that is 2x d by dx plus and again 3, so d3 by dx, constant quantity differentiation 0 and here 2 you can take left side, then dx equal to 1 plus c. Then you can write this relation e to the power 2x plus 3 divided by here 2 plus 0 by 2 plus c. This is formula. Clear? So by using all the above formula you can integrate by using this relation. Clear? Okay. Now come to definite integration. Next, definite integration. Definite integration means here lower limit and upper limit given. Upper limits are given to you. In this case means suppose there is a relation y dx and this is integration, but here a limit is given a and another limit is given here b. A is known as lower limit and b is known as upper limit. And suppose the answer will be here y dx answer. Suppose I am writing here answer which is equal to lambda, or suppose phi. Answer is phi times x is here. This is answer. Then we have to use with a square bracket and here lower limit a, then we have to use lower limit a and upper limit b, and this is b. Clear? We have to write this format. Then okay, now first we have to use upper limit in place of x. जो भी x लिखा है जी ता जगह हम first b को लिखिबा तो केते आंसर. So here that is phi. If we replace b in terms of x, that is replace x by b, then we have to use here b, phi b. Then we have to use a minus sign. Then now use lower limit in place of x. Then phi times x like a. This is final answer. Clear? And here don't use any constant quantity because this value, the integration of this value which limited this region means upper region and lower region. So there is no any constant quantity, and this is known as definite integration. Clear? Same formula for indefinite integration and definite integration, but in definite integration we have to use upper limit and lower limit. Clear? Okay, now let's start some example. Suppose y equal to y is given, that is x cube. Now integrate here the upper limit suppose x1 equal to 2 to x2 equal to 3. This is lower limit and this is known as upper limit. X equal to 2 to x2 equal to 3. So in this case we have to differentiate y with respect to x, or here that is x cube dx equal, integration x cube dx. What is integration? X1 equal to here x1 equal to 2, x2 equal to 3. Then the integration of x cube, how much? That is x to the power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. We have to use a square bracket and write lower limit here and upper limit 3 here. Then x to the power 4 divided by 4 and here lower limit 2, upper limit 3. Then here 1 by 4 which is constant quantity, so you can take 1 by 4 and here x to the power 4 is here, then 2 to 3. Now use upper limit and lower limit. First we have to use upper limit in place of x. जो भी x लिखा है जी से फर्स्ट 3 लिखो. So you can write 3 टू द पावर 4 x जगह 3 लिखा है माइनस देन वी हैव टू यूज लोअर लिमिट 2 then 2 to the power 4. This is final answer. Now you can solve this relation, then you will get final answer. Clear? This is known as upper limit and lower limit case. Suppose if we take another one example here, suppose y equal to x cube plus or minus x cube, then 1 by x plus here that is 5x plus 2. Clear? Now integrate this relation where x1 equal to 1 to x2 equal to 2. Now we have to integrate this relation with respect to x. So in this case it is y dx equal to y its value, so x to the power minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5x plus 2. Suppose this value is given here, that is x to the power minus 1. Then first we have to convert this relation into 1 by x. Why? Because n never be minus 1. First we have to write 1 by x format into here dx. But lower limit 1, so we have to write here 1. Upper limit 2 means 2. Clear? 1 to 2, this is lower limit, this is upper limit. Now integrate this relation, x to the power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus here 1 by x means log, so you can write here that is log x base e, then plus, and we have to use here a mod, clear, positive real number, then 5x, 5 is constant quantity, and sorry we have to write another one step here. So 1 to 2 limit there x to the power minus 3 dx plus again limit 1 to 2 1 by x dx plus that is 5 constant, then x dx 1 to 2 again plus dx 2 dx integration 1 to 2. So you can write here x to the power minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1. Now use limit 1 to 2 plus here 1 by x which is equal to log x base e, and its limit 1 to 2 plus 5 is constant quantity, x to the power 1 is here, so 5 times x to the power n plus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 and limit here 1 to 2, and finally 2 is constant quantity, so we can write here 2 and integration 1 to 2 means here dx. Initially we already solved how to find the integration of dx, because we can write here x to the power 0 which is equal to 1. भाई ये किसी नहीं ये किसी अच्छी की नहीं, so there is one constant quantity or coefficient of dx which is equal to 1, or 1 can be write x to the power 0, x to the power 0 is here, x to the power 0. Clear? So if we use formula here, then this term will be how much? That is x to the power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1. Clear? So I am writing directly here, that is 2 is constant quantity, so 2 into x to the power 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 1 which is equal to 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Clear? Now solve this relation, then we will get 3 minus 2, so then that is x to the power minus 2 by minus 2 limit 1 to 2 plus here log, that is log x limit 1 to 2 plus 5 x square by 2 limit 1 to 2 plus here 2 times x to the power 1 by 1 means x limit here 1 to 2. Clear? Now solve this relation by using upper limit and lower limit, then you will get your answer. So here 1 by minus 2 is constant quantity, so I am writing here 1 by minus 2 or minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is constant, and then the remaining part x to the power minus 2 1 to 2. Clear? Plus here log e, then first we have to use here upper limit in place of x. How can we write here? That is log base e2, because log 2 in place of x, then we have to use lower limit in place of x minus log 1. Clear? And here plus one positive sign, I am writing here plus 5 2. This is constant quantity, so you can write 5 2 and x to the power 2, 1 to 2 plus 2 to the power 2 into x to the power 1 to 2. Now let's start by use limit minus 1 by 2. Here in place of 2 to the power minus 2, again negative sign. First we have to use upper limit and then lower limit in place of x. x को first 2 रे लिखिबा, तापर minus करके 1 to the power minus 2 complete. Then come to this part, and this is final answer. Or if you use the value of log 2 and here log 1, then you can solve it. Or you can write this relation in this way, that is log e 2 by 1. This is division method, means log a by b base e equal to, that is log a minus log b base e. This is formula. Clear? So you can write this formula. Then 5 by 2 into, first we have to use upper limit in place of x, this 2 to the power 2, then lower limit minus 1 2, then plus 2 to the power 2 into, first use upper limit here 2 and lower limit minus 1. Now you can solve this relation and you will get your answer. Clear? So dear student, this is all about your integration, and there is two part of integration, definite integration and indefinite integration. In definite integration, you have to given that is there is two limit, upper limit and lower limit. By using upper limit and lower limit, you can solve this relation. Clear? So differentiation and integration, this is very important for physics to calculate different type of numerical. Clear? So you have to remember all the rule for differentiation and rules for integration. Thank you all.